Out of the four pillars of object-oriented programming, inheritance is one of the most important pillar. It is derived from the vocabulary hereditary. That's why it is also called as grandfather, father and son's property, where the property flows from grandfather to father and then to son. The definition of inheritance is a mechanism in which one class acquires the property of another class. It means that if class B is derived from class A, then class B can acquire all the properties of class A. Now let's try to understand the mechanism. Inheritance is a mechanism which describes and is a relationship between an entities. Let's try to fit is a within a sentence, and if that sentence looks complete, then the inheritance terminology can be considered for that entities, and if not, definitely inheritance doesn't fits in. It is a very generalized example to check whether the inheritance suitable for that example or not. Now let's start. A car is a vehicle. Here car is of type vehicle is completely fitted and it looks correct, and a student is a person. Here also is perfectly fitted with the that particular statement. A bike is a vehicle, so bike is a vehicle, so vehicle is a base class and bike is the derived class. A teacher is a person, so again both the entities looks good, and the is a relationship is fitting perfectly with that particular sentence. Now let's try to read these sentences. A scooter is a car. No, it is not at all readable. It is not at all suitable. Now let's try to read this. A employee is a product. Obviously not. So that is why the inheritance is a mechanism which describes an easy relationship between entities. So stay tuned for understanding the inheritance in more depth.